These are some of the first daffodils that bloom in my yard every year faithfully. It is a miniature variety. As the daffodils start blooming, I start cleaning out the greenhouse in preparation for seed starting and cucumber growing. This is the current state of my greenhouse. I just had a few plants under cover all winter long. Nothing serious. They lived. So my greenhouse is a wreck. Had this little system rigged up, a wool blanket with some bubble wrap over a rack. And I have plants underneath here and a little heater. And I have the automatic thermostat set to 38 degrees. It worked great. Nothing froze and it saved a lot of electricity. I moved my other plants inside. Last year I completely left all my plants in here and I had my bubble wrap up at the ceiling and I spent about $200 extra on heat. Decided not to do that again. Here are my plants that I've been storing inside in a unused bedroom in the house. Remarkably, I don't think hardly any have died. There may be a few that didn't make it, but they seem to like this room. We have good light that comes in, and I can't wait to get them back into the greenhouse, but I will be waiting probably until mid-March, April 1st. It's going to be a while. I'm going to do a major cleanup and get this place back in order for summer. Now it's a matter of doing some cleanup and clean out and adding compost to my planter box. It's always surprising how much ick you get off of windows. Cleaning the windows. Step by step, I'm making progress. I've completely wiped down this rack. It's really important that you clean your greenhouse every year. Disease and insects can start building up. There's the ick water. Yeah, it's dirty, but it looks a lot better. Heading this way now. Phase 1 is complete. Boy, I actually have floor space now. Looks so much better. We're ready to start some seed. I still need to clean up the planter box, and we'll address that next time. And start some cucumbers.